Welcome, Jonathan, to this video where we're going to go over how Jonathan Pierre, we got him to 11K per month in under 90 days, 82 days to be exact, I believe. Hello, so Jonathan, thank you for being here. If you could please introduce yourself, where are you from, a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, no, appreciate you having me, Daniel. Jonathan Pierre from Atlanta, Georgia. Pretty much joined the KLEAN program 82 days ago and was able to hit over 10K in that time period. So, great thanks to Daniel and some of the help that he's been able to provide in that time period. So, definitely grateful.
Cool, Jonathan. So, 82 days ago, before joining Clean, what did your cleaning business look like and what were you struggling with most?
I would say for us, data providing a lot of just direction, right? We had a lot of pieces that were kind of scattered around, but he was able to kind of put pieces of those together and provide us with direction that can help us reach our goals a bit faster. I think when we first started, we were around like 4K or just under 4K. And in that time period, we were able to get to over 10K. So, big shout out to Dave for sure.
Cool. What made you decide to join Clean? Did you have any like doubts before joining, or like what did that process look like?
Ah, for me, I'm a big course guy. I believe in courses for sure, but I think the biggest thing was vetting, right? So once Danny was vetted, in my opinion, it seemed pretty legit. He had other folks who had great results as well. I thought it was similar to no brainer. So
Right, with the rise of these scammers on the internet, these Miami core sellers.
man,
Right?
it's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand.
So I guess for you, kind of like doing your homework on me and the program Clean. Like, hey, is this thing actually legit? That was probably like the biggest thing for you before joining. Was like, is this guy legit or not?
100%, 100%. Well, once I realized you were legit, and you actually provided value before you even asked for a dollar, it was like, okay, you know what, this is something I can actually help get me to the next level.
Cool. Once you did join the program, what have you implemented or learned from the program that made like the biggest difference? Like, if you could point to one thing inside the program that you're like, dude, this was beyond helpful, what would that one thing be?
On I'm gonna cheat and give two. So the first thing is systems for sure. There provides a lot of resources to help you build systems to make this business repeatable. And then two, I would say community, right? There are a ton of other cleaning business owners. Sometimes, there may be someone else in your local market that you can help potentially work with or collaborate with as well. So I would say community is another big piece. Being able to pose, have questions answered, being able to reach out to Dale. Those things are extremely valuable for sure.
The community, right? Like, if you join a group and people are booking $1,000 cleans like every other day, and that's what you see and you feed your mind with, you're next. Yours.
100%. I couldn't agree more. It's definitely motivating and shows you how possible it is. Um, I definitely enjoyed the community aspect for sure.
Cool. And then the systems and process aspect, you mentioned that like from here, one of the biggest things that you learn is just how to operationalize everything and make this thing like a legitimate company. Yeah. Cool. All right. So you mentioned I think you were at 3 to 4K when you joined. Now you just hit 11. What kind of results have you gotten since joining? So that's a 7K increase right there, right? Month on month. What other results have you seen?
I think, like I mentioned before, the community is a big aspect. So some of these things aren't even quantifiable, right? There may be a situation that occurs randomly on a month-to-month basis where I can just go into the community, ask Daniel a question, or just post a question in the community and have Daniel responding to comments that, hey, this is how you handle this, or this is what I've dealt with. This should help you. So I think those things. It's hard to quantify, but those are things that are extremely valuable you don't really want to take for granted.
Cool. How has these results? First of all, congratulations, man. You're at 11K.
Sure.
I think you now that you've hit you cracked the first 10, it's off to like 30,
Oh yeah, 50 for sure.
50, 100, right? Because going from 10 to 30 is just infinitely easier than going from 0 to 10. Would you agree with that?
100%. 100%.
Why would you say that the first 10K is always the hardest part of like starting a business, and why getting help with that first 10K like really helped you out?
I think it's hardest for most folks just because getting that proof of concept, getting over that proof of concept pump and understanding that it's possible. Uh, the mental aspect, I think, is what, keeps that from happening sooner for a lot of folks. But once you do hit that and that mental, box is checked, it's like off to a race. Every dude seems a bit more back to going real. So I think that has a lot to do, for sure. And that's why a program like this can help, because it does make it more practical and real, so it can help accelerate that timeline for you.
Right. I agree. It is all mental. It's like a limiting belief that you're unable to do 10K. But I suppose once you join a group where like you see people hitting 10K left and right, like that's the norm.
Exactly. Minutely. Wait.
Cool. All right, Jonathan, I got one final question for you.
Talk
If someone is watching this right now and they are on the fence about joining Clean, what would you tell them?
Just join. Just join. You know what I mean? I don't think there's a reason to be on the fence. If you want to grow, just join. It's really nice. I don't think there's any two ways about it.
That's simple, right? Take that leap of faith and just do it. Cool, man. It's been a pleasure having you. It's been a pleasure watching you grow. I have no doubt you're gonna be at 100K months, 1.2 mil a year, like very soon. I checked in. Cool. Thank you for your time, and that is the end of the interview. Ciao.
Boom, man. Beautiful. Beautiful.